things are about to start getting interesting. It's pretty much make or break time for Bitcoin as well as crypto. And we're coming into a crossroads area. So we are at the 200 EMA. We are playing around with it. If you've been following along with the Bitcoin updates, we've been talking about the 27.2K area of support right over here. And that if this is lost, we're going to see dumps to the downside. We saw that across multiple altcoins yesterday. We've been calling for those dumps in the last few days, and we got them. And it looks like Bitcoin is starting to do so as well. However, because of the bullish divergence that we saw back over here, at the beginning of September, so almost a month ago now, we didn't actually quite get up to where we were anticipating, which was this point over here. And as we've seen, this golden pocket over here, 28, 29K, maybe as high as 30. But the reason why we could still see this is because we're seeing a few pumps in the stock market. The index funds are going up, and but we're seeing DXY actually going down. So this could bring at least a short-term rally into that final target. It doesn't necessarily have to do so, but if we were to get some random pump, we have the stock market going up anyway, because we're in a crazy time right now with, I don't even want to talk about it, but what's going on in the world at the moment. We're seeing people getting scared. What do they want to do with money? They want to put it in what they think are safe havens. And so stock market is one of them. So they're putting their money into the stock market, gold, of course, and whatnot. But you'd expect Bitcoin to have at least a short-term pump. So that's why I think that if it did come, not saying that it will, just that, and we'll get into that later in this video. So make sure you stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, and share. But this would be like the final target, okay, if we were to get that one last pump. And then I'd still expect to dump. But to be honest, guys, I'm actually in a short at the moment, and I'll show you my entry. I'm in a short from around over here, as we lost the moving averages, confirming them as resistance, this area, and then entering a short from here with my stop loss just around over here. So if it does come and hit it, that's fair enough. I'm on a nice streak anyway, but we lost the criteria. The criteria was lose the 200 EMA as well as 27.2K to get these dumps. We did see them on alts, but as you can see, as we zoom in on the 4-hour time frame, we've run into the 200 EMA and this 27.2K as a resistance, the 27.2K area, but we actually reclaimed the 200 EMA. And with this candle right now on the 4-hour time frame, this red one, you've actually tried to go continue lower, but you're actually holding it as of now. We still have 3 hours left, so this could completely change. We could be down here, we could be higher. But if we were to close above both of these points over here, so the 200 EMA as well as 27.2K, this could bring us an immediate short-term rally back up into these key levels of previous support, but now as resistance. So that would be 27,400, let's just say, in and around that area. But yeah, we can see at 27,400 and 350 over here. So yeah, let's just say the 27,400 area is expected to be resistance only if something extreme happens, like a reclaim of the moving averages, a reclaim of this, and then we could get that final push up. But as we are below the moving averages, which has just formed a bearish cross, expectation is if we do get up there, we then eventually continue lower. Again, guys, this is why I've mentioned that this is make or break at the moment. If we do get that pump, we know the reasonings. DXY is coming down, stock market is going up. And then if we do continue lower, it's because we are, again, holding below this as resistance. If we do run into it, expecting that rejection to eventually continue lower. My target out of my trade, so entry is about here, stop loss is about here, and then my target is about somewhere over here. So it is a 3-to-1. But yeah, if it doesn't go right, that's totally fine with me. It's just one of those things. And in trading, you're not going to be right all of the time. And with my strategy, you only need to be right a minimum of 33% of the time. So yeah, you can get away with being wrong most of the time and still actually profiting. But don't worry, on the channel here, you know that we're not wrong most of the time. So yeah, it's a blessed risk to reward ratio. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. If you want me to teach you how to trade, then just private message me, whether you're beginner or advanced. We'll quickly head over to the options. You can join the Discord community and gain access to our weekly group calls over here for £20 a month. If you become a student of mine, whether that's the course or the mentorship, you get 3 months free in the chat, and then it becomes £10 a month. If you want to do the one-to-one mentorship, the discount is not applied over here, but there will be a 25% discount whether you want to do 5 hours of one-to-one or 10 hours or 10 hours of one-to-one here, there will be a 25% discount on top of this. You're also going to get my course that's over here completely for free. It's 6 hours long, 30 plus videos teaching you from zero knowledge. You have that to fall back on. And with all of these options, you get 3 months free in the chat. And again, after those 3 months of being free, you get 50% off permanently. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Any further questions, if you want that discount, private message me over on Twitter. Again, head over to the link tree, links in the description down below. You'll find a Twitter link, but if you head over to here, just click Twitter and it'll bring you over to my Twitter over here. Thank you guys.